Welcome to your front row seat to some of the world's most powerful and precise machines. From slope mowers and trench cutters to ditch cleaners and log splitters, these giants don't just work, they dominate. Get ready to witness machines that bring raw power, smart engineering, and non-stop action. Meet the HEMA's Ditch Cleaner, a smart and efficient machine that keeps drainage ditches clean. With its long arm and custom bucket, it removes silt, weeds, and debris without damaging the sides. Perfect for farmland and roadside use, even in tight spaces. Trackless Utility Blower, an all-terrain beast designed to blow away leaves and debris in seconds. Its high-speed front blower, wide tires, and light footprint mean no ground damage, just fast, clean results. Stair Trench Cutter with Fendt 930 Vario. Built for fast, clean trenching in rough terrain. Its rotating wheel cuts uniform trenches for cables or pipelines, while the hydrostatic drive ensures smooth and precise operation. Demare RC30 Rail Cutter. This powerful excavator attachment slices through steel rails in seconds. With hydraulic force, hardened blades, and 360 degrees rotation, it works perfectly in tight rail yards or demolition jobs. Faircut Leaf Blower, a high-performance blower mounted on a utility vehicle. It clears leaves and dirt at high speed with a directional nozzle for total control. Fast, clean, and efficient. J.M. Clark Road Sweeper. Built for heavy-duty cleaning on roads and job sites. Spinning brushes, powerful suction, and water jets remove dust and debris in one smooth pass. Clean streets, zero hassle. Ray's Mocker Line Painter. This precision machine lays down road lines quickly and cleanly. With laser guides and adjustable nozzles, it delivers sharp lines even on tight curves. Perfect for road safety. RT110 Mulcher combines the ASV RT110 track loader with a DAF 180D mulching head. It turns brush and saplings into mulch in a single pass. Powerful, rugged, and ideal for land clearing. Sawquip Excavator Saw turns any excavator into a powerful tree cutting tool. Its high-speed circular blade makes quick work of logs, stumps, and standing trees, safe, efficient, and precise. FMG Pull-Type Grader. Hitched to a tractor, this grader levels gravel roads and job sites with pro-level precision. It cuts, spreads, and smooths in one pass, without needing a motorized grader. Ransom Screening Bucket. A smart skid steer attachment for screening compost, soil, and mulch. Its rotating drum sifts out rocks and debris, great for landscaping and cutting cleanup costs. Mency 45 RD Rad Dumper. A compact, all-terrain dump truck for hauling heavy loads. It handles steep, muddy ground with ease, thanks to four-wheel drive and articulated steering. Built for tough terrain. Scrollevet Water Lifter. An energy-efficient water mover powered by gravity and rotation. Using an Archimedean screw, it lifts water without pumps, perfect for irrigation and eco projects. Thor Log Splitter. Connect it to your tractor and unleash 13 tons of splitting power. It cuts through the hardest hardwood in seconds. Firewood ready, no sweat. Kaiser All-Road Utility Vehicle. Tackles any terrain with ease. From vacuum excavation to flood response, this vehicle offers mobility, hydraulics, and total utility power, ready for any challenge. Green ILF Slope Mower. Handles steep slopes and thick brush with a telescopic boom and flail head. The operator stays safe inside a reinforced cab while the mower clears far and wide with precision.